I am pretty sure I know your situation. And the reason is I have spoken to thousands of dentists all across the country, and they've told me their story. And their story is when their head hits the pillow at night, they're thinking about all the business decisions they've been making in the past and the ones they need to make in the future. What I want to share is what thriving dental practices have in common. Is number one, they have great business systems. The systems in the business and how they're operating. And when you have that, you make a lot of money. And when you make a lot of money, you need great tax planning. And what I mean by great tax planning is proactive tax planning. Proactive is when the CPA is looking not 1 month, but 1 and 2 and 3 years in advance of how you're making these decisions today. Reactive is when the accountant says, hey, great year, and now you owe a bunch in taxes. That's not a good situation. Business systems, tax planning, the next is pension plan. It's the greatest deduction you get to take. Also, you gotta understand the break-even of your practice. So every time you're making a decision on a piece of equipment, a chair, anything like that, understand what the break-even of that is. Next is your personal planning. This is so important. You and your spouse to be on the exact same page. What I mean there is having a budget. You know exactly what that budget is at the house. You both know your personal goals. You both know personal retirement goals, and you understand what that break-even looks like as well. And when you understand the break-even of the business and the personal life, and now one step further is what you need to produce at the business to make sure the business, the personal, and your personal financial planning work, you're going to be on a great